All right, here we are back for day 2 of Teardown. We've only got a couple connections, couple lines to take off. Got to get the dipsticks off the engine and transmission. Here's where we are so far. Let's see what we can do. The goal for today is to get the motor and the transmission out of the car and up on the stands. So hopefully we get there. Let's go.
Either I believe in the universe, or I'm not. Both are equally terrifying.
So just kidding. I know I said that this was going to be day 2. It's really more like day 4 or 5. I haven't really been filming a lot because a lot of the stuff has been underneath the car, so I haven't really had anything to show you. I don't have one of those head mounts or anything, and it would have just been dark. But here's where we're at so far. We got the transmission out, we got the headers out, all the accessories are off the motor, and now we're almost ready to pull the motor. So I'm going to set this up and see where we end up. Shouldn't take us too long. We think we really only have the motor mounts left to go, and then we should be able to yank it out. Now, I do have my best friend Chris helping me out today. He's been a huge help. He's been crawling around underneath the car with me and doing a bunch of the work. But so let's see if we can get this motor pulled. right, so right here is where I would put the video of me and Chris actually craning the motor out.
If I had one!
But me being new to this, I actually forgot to turn the camera on. I know, rookie mistake. I'm gonna try to never let that happen again. The issue was that it was sort of a struggle. I only have 2 batteries for the GoPro, which means I get about an hour and a half of recording time. So I was running out of battery life, and I wanted to save it for when we actually get to the good stuff, and I ended up totally missing the good stuff. So the rest of the video is the rest of me and Chris trying to put the engine on the engine stand, which was its own struggle. So here's that.
Either I'm alive in the universe, or I'm not. Both are equally terrifying. I was given this life. It is my duty as a human being to find something beautiful within life, no matter how slight.
All right, so I'm super excited. We got the motor out, we got the transmission out. Look at it, ready for teardown. That'll be the next episode. If you like what you've seen so far and you want to keep up with this build, like and subscribe. You'll get an update every time I post a new video, and you can watch us put this beauty back on the road. Till next time.